Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net reporting to you on November 5th as the U.S. election's still in limbo. All right, so let's get down to it. We've got here a updated bot retweaked. Still doing pretty good at a win ratio of 50%. Markets have cooled off a little bit. So we got 25 out of 50. So I'm pretty happy about that so far. People will always ask, what am I trading? We got here BTC, KSM, SNX, XTZ, YFI, Algo, Matic, KNC, SRM, CRV, YFI, Sol, Compound, Band, and Aave, and so on. So there's a good mix of basically DeFi, some traditional coins. They're literally the top moving coins at that time. The other thing is, it's built off of order books, so it's all of what I've done over the last week merged into one bot. I ran into some problems with running two bots, and Binance not liking the amount of requests I was making, so it kept kicking out the bots and not allowing connections into the Binance servers because there was just too many requests. So I put it all into one bot to only focus on the top performing coins. You can see here, as I said, there are some Bitcoin in there as well. So that's what I've done, just testing it out now. So as I said, if you are into this sort of thing, you can just come over to quantlabs.net and join the email service that I've got, and you can get yourself some free books, trading technology stuff. So this is what I posted earlier this morning. Quantlabs.net. That's on Instagram. So again, it's Instagram Quantlabs. So here you can see we were achieving up to, the highest I got was 60%, and then it went up to 61%. So that was holding for a couple hours. So it's still fluctuating between 50 and 60 so far. So I'm pretty happy about that. Also, I've got another article I posted yesterday on the blog, and this is a 61%. It's not from the bot that I was building last week with the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin only. There's a couple of things I'm going to have to rejig for people. Obviously, this service that I want to put out there will not be available for Americans because of it works off of Binance, and of course Binance does not allow residents of the U.S. I'm sure there's workarounds around it, but I wouldn't recommend it because you could probably get your account closed and lose your money. I've heard that quite a bit. So as it stands, everything's looking good. It's pretty quiet right now, but when the markets are hopping, it does quite well. So I just wanted to put that out there, and I'll be probably hopefully coming back with some options if you're into this, because this will not be done with MotiveWave. This will be done 100% in Java. And if you want to know more about how this technology has been built, I do have my shop at quantlabs.shop. If you're on a budget, we have USB keys at $25 with a bunch of videos, as well as there's the Python course as well, and a DVD. So your choice, whatever you want, quantlabs.shop. Thanks for watching, and sign up if you are into it. Thank you.